How to make a video call on IMO. Want to see your friends and family, not just hear them. Let's quickly go over to how to make a video call using IMO. It is incredibly simple. Grab a phone and you can follow along. First things first, let's go ahead and tap on the IMO. You can see my IMO right over here. Let's tap on it. And now you should land on the chat section. You can see the chat section right over here. Now scroll through and find the person that you want to chat with. Here you can see the list of the chat I do have for you here. If the person that you want to do a video call is right over here, what you have to do is simply, for example, I want to do a video call with the first one. Let's tap on it, and there you can see an option called a video call or the video icon. It's right over here. Just tap on it and it will start video calling the person that you want to. So the person I'm calling right now is not available. This one was when the person is on your chat list. And what if they are not here? For that, what you have to do is simply tap on this contact icon right over here. It's on the top right corner. Tap on it, and then here you can see a list of our contacts. Scroll through the person and find the person that you want to chat with or want to do a video call. For example, I want to do a video call with this person right over here. Let's tap on it, then add a remark if you want to. And if you don't want to, simply tap on save. Now, as I said earlier, you can see a video call icon just between the phone icon and the three dots. Tap on it. And now you are calling the person that you want to do a video call with. I just close the camera. You can just open the camera, switch the camera, or even mute the conversation. And if you don't want to continue, simply tap on this red button right over here, like this. And that's how you can make a video call in IMO. Wasn't that easy? As soon as they pick up, you will be connected face to face. Now you are all set to make a video calls whenever you like. So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.